guys, so today I'm going to give you my quick and honest review on this beautiful dress. It is from the Becquerel store and the brand is Mumu, and I'm super excited for this dress because I've been looking for a dress that's super comfortable for summer, like very fresh, and this just has a beautiful flower pattern. And I'm also super excited because it has pockets, so let's review this. So it came very well packed and it comes in a vacuum bag, like airtight seal, so I'm gonna open it. So I just cut the top with some scissors and this is the final dress. The fabric is super soft, so I feel it's going to be super comfortable. And this is how the dress looks. I ordered it in a size small. So I mainly wanted this dress for like the beach. I feel like the pattern is super cute, and overall the fabric, it's so soft. I feel like it's going to be super comfortable just to wear around. And of course this is like a nightgown lounge wear dress, so I feel like it is also very cute, so you can wear it to the beach, but it's also super cute because you can be lounging around in your house but also look super cute and be super comfortable. I feel like the collar detail is super flattering. Absolutely love that it has pockets on both sides. This is the other pocket, so you can be just lounging around but you can also store things in your pocket. And I just think overall this dress is super cute, and the most important thing is like super comfortable fabric, super soft. So I feel like it does meet my expectations when I first wanted this dress. So I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see how it looks on, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this is the final fit of the dress. I must say I absolutely love it. It's super comfortable, and I love the neck detail that the dress has. I feel like it looks super cute and flattering. And I also love the fact that it has pockets. I feel like it's super comfortable. And overall, I loved the pattern, and I loved how this dress is super versatile. I'm obviously going to use it, of course, as a beach cover-up because it's super comfortable and it's super cute with like the pattern. And of course, just as loungewear is perfect as well. This is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. And it's just super comfortable. And as I said, I ordered a size small, but this is like super stretchy and flowy, so I feel like it's going to fit a lot of other sizes as well. So overall, final thoughts, I would definitely recommend this dress. I feel like it's super comfortable. The fabric is super soft, so if you're looking for new loungewear, a super versatile dress, definitely check this one out. I absolutely loved it.